Hello, creators. Welcome to Grow on YouTube with Joy. So, today I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your profile page as a beginner. All right, I'm going to be showing you on my phone how you can log into your YouTube studio through the Google Chrome, and then step by step how you can set up your profile picture. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel after watching. All right, let me go ahead and show you right now.
Set up profile page, you go to your Google and then you type YouTube dashboard. Then you are going to see sign in. Then it take you straight to your channel dashboard. So let me zoom it for you to see. Now take a look at the left panel. From the down, you click on the second one. That is your channel customization page. So you will see profile and then you see home tab. So it is this profile page you want to set up. So if you take a look at it, you will see the channel banner. So it's written there, banner image. Okay, so this is where you can change the banner image if you want to change what is there already, or you want to remove it. Once you click on remove, it goes straight to, okay, you see it has removed. Then you want to upload another one. Once you click on upload, it's going to take you to your photos, where you have your photos, and then you can now go ahead and search for the channel banner that you created. So once you have seen it, you click on it. So you see it, you see this part, it says done. You click on done, and then you come up here, you see publish. Then you click on publish. So it is done. That is how you change your channel banner. And then the next thing that I want to go to is your profile picture. So if you don't have a profile picture yet, you can go ahead and put in your profile picture the same way that we did to the channel banner. So this is my profile picture, Grow on YouTube with Joy. So on this profile page as well, if you don't have your name, you can also impute your name. So you can see, for me, mine is Grow on YouTube with Joy, tips and creators growth. There you will also find your handle, okay, and then you will also find a link to your account, or let me say your channel URL, your channel link. You will also see it there. So the next thing you want to put in place, if you have not done already, is your description, your channel description. Description is a brief summary of what your channel is about. Just like for mine, it says welcome to Grow on YouTube with Joy. If you are ready to build your channel, get more views and grow your community, you are in the right place. And then I went ahead to tell you what you are going to find. I say here you will find 1, YouTube growth tips, proven strategies to attract viewers and subscribers. And then if you take a look at the second one, content creation hacks. Under there you find easy tricks to save time and improve quality. So you see different items there, okay. And then there's also a place that you can add language. It says add language, so you can also select the language to your channel. You see different languages. I click on English. So all right, so let's go to the next. sorry, let me go back to the channel customization page again. All right, so after you see links, now if you want to copy your channel URL, your channel link, this is where you have it. It's channel URL, that is your channel link. So you see your channel link there. If you look at the right hand side, you see a box. So once you click on that, you see copied to clipboard. So that's how you copy your channel link. So assuming you want to place your channel link, you want to add it so where people can easily subscribe, this is where you do it. If you see here, it says add link. If you click on add link, you see a rectangular box like this will come up. It says link title required. So here you can now put the title of the link, and then this other side you now go ahead and now paste the link that you have. You now go ahead and paste the link. You see, now if you want to also remove any link, if you look at this right hand side, you see a waste bin symbol there. If you click on it, it removes it. So that is how to add link. And then there's also a place for contact info where you can add your email address. So if you have added all the things that you need to add, you will see this upper part. If you have added anything, this place that is written publish will be highlighted, and then you just click on it, and then what you have done will be saved. If you don't click on it, it will not be saved. So let me show you an example. Assuming I want to add link, this is okay, subscribe here. Okay, let me use this other box. Subscribe here. You see this upper part, publish, is now highlighted because I just type in something. So once you click on it, it automatically saves it. Okay, so I already have subscribe link there, so I don't want that one, so I just remove it. So that is how you remove anything that you don't want. So this is how to set up your profile page. So once you click publish, what you have done is saved. I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more beginners videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.